The armed forces of the Russian Federation and Ukraine reported progress in the front line May 17. Armed clashes between two sides have occurred in several areas. The armed force of Russia carried out a long-range sea-based high-precision weapons attack on a large ammunition depot at a ship repair facility in Nikolaev. The statement of Russia Defense Ministry ended the rumors about the explosion in Nikolayev. The sound of a cruise missile overflight, and the subsequent arrival at an object in Nikolayev in midnight. Some Telegram accounts wrote that the Zarya Mashprot plant in Nikolayev caught a Russian cruise missile. Nikolayev is a city located in southern Ukraine, specifically in the Mykolaiv Oblast region. It is situated near the confluence of the Southern Bug and Ingul rivers, approximately 120 kilometers southwest of Odessa. The goals of the strike in Nikolayev have been reached. The assigned target has been neutralized, the Russian Federation spokesperson Igor Konashenkov says. The Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov May 17 said in total, 427 Ukrainian fighter jets, 233 helicopters, 4,197 unmanned aerial vehicles, 422 air defense missile systems have been destroyed. Also 9,206 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,100 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,837 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,267 special military motor vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kiev, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement May 17 said Russia lost 610 servicemen in a single day, including 9 tanks, 17 armored fighting vehicles, 16 artillery systems as well as 16 drones and 9 cruise missiles have been destroyed. In total, Moscow lost 200,590 servicemen since Russia launched full-scale aggression to Ukraine.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.